In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect the HP Officejet Pro 9730 printer to the wireless network. We will use the control panel. So the wireless LED is blinking. It is in the default mode. So from control panel, select menu. Scroll until you see Settings. Select that. Select Network. Select Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. It has found our network. We'll select Technology Tips 5 GHz. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your Technology Tips 5 GHz network. Once the password is keyed in, select OK and Submit. The connection is successful and the wireless LED is now solid, indicating that it is connected to the network. So this is how you connect to a wireless network using the control panel for your HP Officejet Pro 9730 printer.